In this video, we'll be doing writing figures in standard form. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. And you can also put on the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload more mathematics videos. Thank you. So, in this video, we want to be writing normal figures in standard form. So, how do we write normal figures in standard form? So, in case you've not subscribed to this channel, please help to subscribe and hit the like button. And you can put on the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new mathematics video. So, to write figures in standard form, do not forget standard form follow this model. That is the A, which is the coefficient, multiplied by 10 raised to the exponent of n. And in my previous video where I introduced standard form, I told you that if the zeros are to the right hand side of the figures, like these figures greater than 1, so then it's going to be positive. So that means this is expected to give us positive. But when it is to the left of the figures like this, so that means it's going to be negative. So, or you say that when your point moves to the right, it will be negative. When your point moves to the left, it will be positive. So, now let's write them in standard form. Let's write them in standard form one by one. So for this one, so we assume the point is yes, and the point is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is going to be 4.5 times 10 raised to the power 4, since we move it 4 times. So the number of times we move the decimal point is what we count. And do not forget our point moves towards the left. It moves toward the left. So let's do this next one, and let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yes, 6 in this case. So that becomes 6.78 times 10 raised to the power 6. And do not forget, it also moves to the left. It moves leftward. So, but in this case, it's going to move to the right. Let's see that. So that becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So that becomes 7.3 times 10 raised to the power negative 4. Do not forget, it moves to the right. It moves towards the right. So whenever your point moves towards the right, it's going to be your exponent will have a negative sign. So now let's do the last one, which is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that becomes 5.6 times 10 raised to the power negative 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 10 raised to the power negative 7 because it moves 7 times. So do not forget that this is the rule for writing in standard form. And why can't we have this as probably taking it further and write 73? We can't have it because the value of our a here must be must not be greater than 10. So meaning that it must be less than 10. It must be less than 10. So the value of our a here must be less than 10. So it can be less than equal to 1, less than or equal to 1, or less than 10. So generally it has to be less than 10. So, and that is why if we check all our a, which is the coefficients here, they are less than 10. So, or what you can call integer anyway, 7.3 is less than 10, 5.6 is less than 10, and 4.5 less than 10, 6.78 is less than 10. So that's the rule for writing the figures in normal form in standard form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.